This guide I will show you how you can use Apple Pay on Amazon. So first of all, let's start by opening up our Amazon, and let's say you have selected your particular product. So for me, I'm going for this particular one and tap on the buy now button. And now once you are on checkout page, if the vendor accept Apple Pay, you will see it under payment options. You just need to select Apple Pay, confirm your details, then use Face ID or Touch ID to confirm the purchase. If you don't see the option to pay with Apple Pay, this means the vendor doesn't have Apple Pay enabled. However, you can still use your Apple Card as a digital payment method. You just need to tap on the add new payment method on the top right and tap on add debit or credit card, and then you just need to enter your card information. If you want to automatically use your Apple Card when you check out, you just need to set it as a default payment method and then simply tap on the save button. So basically it only depends on the vendor if he has enabled Apple Pay or not. So hope this helps. This is how you can use Apple Pay on Amazon.